Is your marketing writing checks your brand can't cash? That's a line from our upcoming Top Gun B2B marketing spinoff movie. But seriously, I want to introduce you to this curve, and you'll see where that line comes in. So on this axis, we have brand awareness. That's your brand awareness. That's your company's brand awareness. On this axis is the attention given by your prospects. How much attention they are willing to give you. So as you see, the lower the brand awareness, the lower the attention given by your target, and the higher the brand awareness, the more attention given. So all the way up here, the king of this is, I'm going to do my terrible drawing here, but that's Apple. Apple wins. This is where you get people who watch their 2-hour new product showcase, where it's basically a 2-hour ad that people watch, stream, then they blog about and talk about. So max brand awareness, max attention given. And then as you work your way down, you get to where a lot of B2B brands are, especially, is they have very low brand awareness. So a lot of times brands make the mistake of copying Apple, and that's where I get it. The marketing is writing checks the brand can't cash. So they copy Apple or a lot of Apple techniques, but they don't have the same brand awareness bank account. So they're not going to get the attention that Apple gets up here. Your brand may be here, maybe here, maybe here. The idea is to write marketing checks. So make marketing that assumes the level of attention given, that is at least aware of it and has realistic expectations. So if you have very low brand awareness, you're not going to get much automatic attention because no one knows your brand. So that means you have to fight harder for it. The lower brand awareness you have, the lower the default attention your brand is going to be given. Think realistically when you're making your marketing, where you are on this curve, and adjust your creative to fit. Thanks.